alley cell culture model. It creates a 3D respiratory tract model by culturing airway cells on a porous membrane, exposing their top or apical surface to air and their bottom, that is basal surface, to nutrient-rich media. So in this way, it mimics the lungs' in vivo environment for better disease modeling. Key steps in alley culture process. Number 1. Cell sourcing and expansion. So obtain primary airway epithelial cells, for example nasal or bronchial. Now expand these cells in standard tissue culture flasks with expansion media until they reach 70 to 90% confluency. Step 2. Seeding into inserts. Now transfer cells onto porous coated cell culture inserts, that is transval type systems. Then seed at a specific density, ensuring the apical side is seeded. Number 3. Submerged growth phase. Now culture cells fully submerged in media in both the apical and basal compartments for several days to weeks, allowing proliferation and monolayer formation. Number 4. Airlifting or ALI induction. Remove the media from the apical compartment, exposing the cell surface to air. Now continue supplying media only to the basal compartment through the membrane. Number 5. Differentiation phase, which can maintain the ALI condition for 2 to 4 weeks. The basal cells differentiate and polarize, forming a pseudo-stratified epithelium with goblet and ciliated cells, mimicking the native airway. This was all. Thanks for watching.